and welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time since I filmed anything. That was just really awkward trying to like say hello to the camera. But I am having a week of annual leave, and today is a bank holiday. It's Good Friday in the UK, and I thought what better way to spend like the morning of a beautiful sunny bank holiday than to go to B&M and stock up on all the stuff that we've been running out of. This is predominantly a cleaning product video. I always think that B&M cleaning products are just good, and I also watch B&M hauls on YouTube a lot. I know I've said it before, but like I'm always so nosy about what people buy. So I wanted to show you all of the cleaning products that I got, and then we also got some beauty stuff, some home stuff, and we also got some food and drinks this time, which, well, I say food and drinks, we got a couple of like snacks and some alcohol. So I wanted to show you a couple of those bits as well. But without further ado, let's start with the cleaning products because there's the most of them. So the first couple of bits are stuff for the laundry. So we got the Fairy non-bio. These have gone up in price, to be honest. They used to be a lot cheaper than they are now, but needs must. We always get non-bio, and this was £4.99, so that's gone up by like over £1. And then to go with that, we got some fabric conditioner. Normally I get like the ones in the opaque bottles, you know what I mean? They like smell a bit more bougie, but this was the bigger size and it was only £3.25, so I thought it was a bit of a better deal. And it smells really nice, and it's pink, so that is good. That will last like absolutely ages. Also, I was completely out of Zoflora, so I got some more of this. This is like a concentrated disinfectant. It's like liquid. You can use it for everything, so you can use it to like clean, you can mix it in with water. I also chuck a cap full of Zoflora through my laundry if it's like especially dirty, or if it's stuff that we've been like going out for runs in, just to make them extra clean and to make them smell extra nice. This is a bit of a rogue scent. I wasn't in charge of choosing the scent, so this isn't for me, this is for my boyfriend for the bathroom. It's air freshener. And Kyle decided that he really wanted strawberry swirl, which I've not smelled yet, but I can just imagine it's horrible. No, it smells quite nice. It does smell quite nice. The packaging is horrible, so I'm gonna have to hide that. But yeah, that smells quite nice. That was £1.99. Also, Fairy liquid, so exciting. This is the pink grapefruit smell. Yeah, just because we were running out of washing up liquid. And that was £1.49, I think, so quite good for the size. And then to go along with that, our current scrub daddy, he's on his last legs. His mouth is like completely ripped, so we needed to get a new one. So this is a brand new scrub daddy. These are so good, they tend to last us like a good few months. And I've always got one because I just don't think normal sponges are as good. This is £2.49. Still in the kitchen, we got some new Flash. This is a new scent that I haven't actually seen before. It's lavender and rosemary, so I think that's gonna smell lush. Oh, I've just realised that's actually a glass cleaner. Oh well. I mean, we do need glass cleaner anyway. I needed some kitchen spray, so that's kind of annoyed me. It does smell nice though. So, okay, I guess I'll be cleaning all the glass. Maybe I need to go back to B&M for some actual kitchen spray. And then we also got some toilet bowl fizz and fresh. So the packaging of this is a bit nasty, and I think it looks like kind of tacky and cheap. They were cheap. I think this box was £1.49 or maybe £2. I wanted toilet blocks, but they only have the ones that you like peg onto the side of your toilet, and I find those to be quite unhygienic with the cages because like a lot of stuff gets stuck in them. So these are like fizzing tablets. Must only be used in the toilet bowl. Simply drop into the bowl and leave the foaming action to work deep into the U-bend, removing limescale, calcium and rust. Okay, I was kind of hoping that it would turn my toilet water pink, but maybe it's just a cleaner, which we do need, to be fair. I do bleach the loo, but nice to give these a go, even though I'm skeptical. Those are the cleaning bits, and then we also went into the beauty aisle. I needed some new bars of soap. So when I have my showers, I like wash my body with a bar of soap first because I think it gets you like so much cleaner, and then I use a nice shower gel or like a cream or whatever. But yeah, I've always got a bar of soap. I like these ones. They're really cheap as well. I think it's £1.50 for a box of box of two. I find that they like make you feel a lot cleaner, especially if you've been out. We've been doing a lot of runs lately. We're trying to get like a little bit fitter because we've booked a holiday to Turkey, so we're both on a little bit of like a running hype, which means I'm like sweating, and when I get back I need to feel like I'm properly clean. Next thing, we got a new Listerine. I don't really know what to say about Listerine, but we always like to have it. This is £2.49 and it's 750ml, so that's quite a decent size. That will last us a while. And then a couple of bits for the boys. Kyle picked up some matte clay like hair product. I don't really know what that does, but it's for your hair. And he also picked up some Head and Shoulders, and this was right in the entrance, so I think it must have been on special. But yeah, I think that was like £1. Onto snacks and a bit of alcohol. So it's actually Kyle's sister's birthday coming up, and so she really likes Galaxy, so we picked up 2 bars of Galaxy. This one was £2, this one was £1.49, and they're just the smooth milk bars of Galaxy, so they're going to be nice little birthday presents just to go in her gift bag. This is one of Kyle's as well. It's very questionable. So this is a Dead Man's Fingers, which I think is like a rum brand. Tangy lime caffeinated alcoholic beverage, so that sounds absolutely awful. I think this is more experimental, so yeah, I'll see what he thinks of that, but I will not be drinking that. The thing with B&M is they always seem to have like quite weird and like obscure things in their alcohol section. So I spotted this bottle of wine, which is Wise Wolf Chardonnay, and I just thought the bottle was amazing, and I'm sure I've had it before. It looks really like familiar to me, but I just thought the bottle looked so cool. It looks like it's off a pirate ship or something, and so after I film this video I'm going to put it in the fridge, and because it's a bank holiday I'm going to treat myself to a glass or two of this. But yeah, I thought that was really nice. And then this is also a birthday gift. I got this bottle of Pinot for Lauren. So this is also going to get wrapped up and put into the gift bag, but what drew me to this was the bottle just looks really nice. It's got this sort of pattern, and I also really like the pastel blue label. I just thought this looks so like springy and really pretty, and it wasn't too expensive either. I think this was like £6.49, and it, considering like everyone likes to get someone a bottle for their birthday, but I just think like if you get one that's just a bit bougie and it's got like a nice pattern and a nice label, it's just a bit nicer for a present. So that looks nice. Hopefully she'll share a glass of that with me on her birthday. And then finally, moving on to homeware, only a couple of bits again, because we don't really need too much. I just have a bit of an issue going into B&M and coming out without having looked in the homeware section. I always end up finding something that I want, and today there was like chopping boards I really wanted, there's some mugs that I wanted, but I need to go through our mugs cupboard and get rid of all the like mismatched horrible ones, and then I will go down and I will like replenish our mug cupboard. So didn't get any of that. It's actually just a couple of smellies that I got. So we needed some new wax melts. We've been using some from Asda and they're just crap. They don't like pop out of the top of my wax burner properly, so I have to end up boiling the kettle and like digging, scraping them out, which is horrible. But I know that these ones work, and I think that my wax melt burner is actually from B&M, so I don't know if it means that they're like compatible, but I know these ones work. And I thought, what's a nice springtime scent? So I've got mandarin, lime and basil, which I think are going to smell really nice. Yeah, it's really fresh, really springy, and they're £1.50, so that is absolutely lovely. And then the last thing, if you watched my last B&M haul, this may look familiar to you. I got the exact same candle again that I bought last time, just because I loved it so much, and we've only burned about half of it so far. So this again is a birthday present, and I just think it smells absolutely gorgeous, and the person I'm giving it to also really likes the kind of minimal look of these candles. Like the label's really nice and plain, obviously take that sticker off, and then you've got the wooden lid, which is like nice Scandinavian vibes, and the candle itself is like a beigey colour, so it will go in her living room, and it just smells lovely. It's honey and amber, and this one was £4.99, and it's one of the wooden wick ones. It says it burns for 50 hours, and to be fair, mine is lasting absolutely ages, so I know it's good. So that was my bank holiday B&M haul, mostly cleaning products, but a couple of like other bits that I probably wouldn't have usually purchased, but always nice to try new things. I'll have to let you know how those toilet fizzers work out, and how that horrible energy drink alcoholic drink is gonna be. We'll have to see. But thank you so much for watching my video. I've missed making videos. I've got a week off and I'm hoping to like create some content and stuff. And I'm also so happy that the sun is shining again. It's so much nicer when the sun's out. It just makes me feel a bit more like creative. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next video. Bye!